Good day, my fellow students. I am Miss Valdez, your math teacher, and for today, we will learn about solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula.
Learning target. Identify the real number a, b, and c. Solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers. A is not equals to 0. Standard form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Ax squared is a quadratic term, bx is a linear term, and c is a constant term. A and b are numerical coefficient, while c is a constant. X is the variable. Solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Problem solving number 1. X squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. And our quadratic formula is x equals to negative 5 plus
square root of b squared
minus 4ac all over 2a. So our first step is we need to identify our a, b, and c, which is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So our a would be 1, b is 5, and c is
negative 14.
Then, the second step is we need to substitute our given values. Our b is negative 5, plus or minus square root of negative 5 square, minus 4 times. Our a is 1 times negative 14, all over 2 times 1. So we have negative times negative 5, positive 5, plus square root of negative 5 square times negative 5 equals to 25. Negative plus negative, positive. 4 times 1, 4, times 14. 56 all over 2 times 1. 2.
Now we have x equals 5, square root of 25 plus 56, 81 over 2. Next, x equals 5 plus square root of 81, so perfect square of 81 is 9 over 2. So we have two values of x. So x equals to 5 positive 9 over 2, then 5 minus 9 over 2, 5 plus 9 is equals to 14 over 2. Simply, 14 divided by 2 is 7. Therefore, x is equal to positive 7. Next, 5 minus 9 is negative 4 over 2. Therefore, x is equals to negative 2. So, the values of our x is x equals to positive 7 and x is equals to negative 2.
Our second example is 2x squared plus 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. So we identify a, b, and c. Our a is 2, b is 3, and c is negative 27. So we identify the formula. We substitute x for negative 3. Positive or negative square root of 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 27 all over 2 times 2. Then simplify. So x is equal to negative 3, positive or negative square root of 9. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 8 times 27 is 216. All over 2 times 2, which is 4. X is equal to negative 3, positive or negative square root of 9 plus 216 is equal to 225 all over 4.
X is equals to negative 3 positive negative square root of 225. 225 is a perfect square. Yes, is 15, then all over 4. So again, we have value for x. The positive way, the negative. So x is equals to negative 3 plus 15 all over 4. Then negative 3 plus 15 is equals to 12 all over 4. Simplify 12 divided by 4 is 3. The other one is x is equals to negative 3. Negative 15 all over 4. Then negative 3, negative 15 is equals to negative 18. Simplify 18. Divide by 4 is negative 9 over 2. Our value of x is 3 and x is 9 over 2.